XAT 2022 registration has begun and will conclude on November 30. Candidates can fill the XAT application form at the XAT official website, XAT Online. XAT registration process can be processed in online mode only. XAT exam 2022 will be held on January 2, 2022 in computer-based mode. In this video, we bring to you a step-by-step guide on how to fill the XAT application form 2022. First, the candidates are required to visit the XAT official website xatonline.in. This is how the page looks like. Next, click on Register 2022 and enter details like name, phone number, email ID, password and captcha code. A unique XAT ID and registration link is shared with the candidate on the verified email ID. Click on the link to verify your registration. After verifying your XAT 2022 registration, go to XAT 2022 homepage, click on Login, enter email ID and password. Candidates will be directed to a dashboard to fill the application form. Click on Continue to proceed to the XAT application form window. Next, enter personal details such as first name, middle name and last name, email address and alternate email address, mobile number and alternate mobile number, date of birth as on August 31, gender, nationality, marital status, blood group, do you belong to PWD? Click on Next to proceed. Now enter personal details such as father or husband's details, mother's details. Click on Next. Now, provide the communication address details and click on Next to proceed. Then, enter the academic details such as class 10 and 12 details. Enter work experience details if any. It must be noted that candidates must enter their work experience by March 31, 2021. No part-time job experience will be entertained. Next, candidates will have to enter the program details where it is asked, do you want to apply for XLRI? Choose from programs Business Management, Human Resource Management and Fellow Program in Management. For the Journal Management program, one should have a minimum experience of 56 months. After program selection, candidates will have to fill in their preference of campus for each program and click on Next tab. Next, upload the documents such as passport size photograph, signature, class 10 certificate, class 12 certificate, statement of purpose, proof of identity and click Next. The dimensions of photograph and signature are: for photograph and signature, the dimensions must be 30 mm by 45 mm. The format must be JPG or JPEG and the size must be 80 KB. After uploading the required documents, the computer screen will display the XAT 2022 application form declaration. Here, enter the applicant name, date and click Next. The final step is to pay the application fee of Rs 1800. Click on the Make Payment and use any modes such as credit card, debit card, net banking, Paytm or other wallets. Now, download the payment receipt, click on Submit and hence the XAT registration form will be submitted. Hope this video is useful and will help you complete XAT registration successfully. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like it and share it with your fellow XAT aspirants. Also, subscribe to our channel for more such videos.